Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's report of Trade with Edge, our pre-market report. Let's start with important news. So, Bharti announced a partnership with Elon Musk SpaceX on Tuesday to introduce Starlink's high-speed satellite internet services in India. US market, one more down day, market was down by 1%. President Donald Trump announces additional 25% tariff on Canadian steel and aluminum. RVNL secures order worth 555 crores. Swiggy, Zomato, some news that Rapido in talks to challenge Swiggy and Zomato in food delivery space. Ashoka Bilcon bags project worth 312 crores from Maharashtra State Electricity Commission. On Indian markets, Morgan Stanley report on India that why India is best place in Asia. If you look at global markets, in Asian market, we don't see much slide. In fact, all the markets are positive. Gift Nifty is almost flat. European market ended on a negative note. Nasdaq was flat, but Dow Jones was down by 1%. So yes, we are starting with flattish Asian market flows. If you remember last two reports, तो दो report में on 7th we had a IndusInd Bank short built up, OFS short built up, which was sliding. BSC was a short built up. Yesterday was down by another 5%. So guys, just focus on this data. So as per 11th, I can see short built up in Ashok Leyland, IndusInd huge down moves 27% with huge shorts. MFSL में long built up देखने मिल रहा है. तो निफ्टी अगर OI डेटा की बात करें, after a gap down, the way market was resilient, that is positive, and data is also showing positive that there is huge short built up. We can see from 22,200 to 22,500 put writing हो रहा है. Call writers are not seen any closer, so high call writers are far away from center level. And जो morning के call writers थे, जो late call writers, they are trapped. Maybe size is not that big, but yes, they are trapped. Now call put writers are equally placed. We can see 22,700 पे एक resistance and 22,300 400 पे support we can see. So next 2 days could be a range of 22,300 to 22,700, and yes, any side breakout we have to watch for. अब अगर निफ्टी की बात करें, yeah, this was an important zone from where we started rising. Even ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है, ये मैंने कहा था मेरे रिपोर्ट में, एंड वहीं पे हमने एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया है. Now there is a fall, gap down, and a recovery. Okay, so we might challenge this level again. Now breaking out of this zone is very crucial for markets. On an important एक जो इंडिकेशन मुझे मिल रहा है. Now what I've done here is this is Nifty and Dow Jones ratio chart. Okay, so Nifty and US market का ratio chart है. Now what does this indicate? If this line is falling, that means US market is outperforming Indian market. So since August, if you see here, we were going down. So this indicate that our market is falling more than US markets, or they are underperforming US markets. That's why ratio is going down. Now this ratio has shown some breakout from the falling trend. So this indicate there is a possibility that now here on Indian market might outperform US market. So if US market are recovering, we might recover maybe a little stronger, or in fall we may not participate with US market. So that's what this indicates. Yes, but subject to we stay out above this trend line, right? So we have to watch it closely. So any buy signal in Indian market, थोड़ा उस पर ध्यान देना पड़ेगा। एंड अगर डाउ जोन्स की बात करें, there was a breakdown yesterday from the immediate range. Now we are at lower band of weekly, so weekly Bollinger Band के lower band पे चल रहे हैं हम लोग, and एक breakdown दिया है. So it is important that US market closes above 41,875 level in next 1 or 2 days. Otherwise it might slide further. But yes, एक extreme point है, oversold point है, तो some recovery would be expected. And levels for intraday today, a good gap down and a recovery. So 22,520 is the strong above level, जिसके लिए 22,600 and 22,670 के टारगेट्स बनेंगे. एंड वीक बिलो लेवल इज 22,401, जिसके नीचे 22,321 एंड 22,241 के टारगेट्स बनेंगे. Bank Nifty at very crucial level. This support, which is providing support since start of 2025, and we are back there. I can also see a head and shoulder and cup and handle pattern जिसका breakdown possible है. So yes, both indices are giving little diverse view. So it is important Bank Nifty hold this level, otherwise we are in for a slide of another 2,500 points. So watch it closely guys. Markets are at inflection point and Bank Nifty is pulling it down now. So अगर लेवल की बात करूं मैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग अबो लेवल वुड बी 47,950, अबो दैट 48,035 एंड 48,200 के टारगेट्स बनेंगे. एंड वीक बिलो लेवल इज 47,700, जिसके नीचे 47,535 एंड 47,350 के टारगेट्स देखने मिल सकते हैं. So guys, now we are out with our butterfly ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी, अ फुल्ली हेज स्ट्रैटेजी जिसमें आप रिस्क अपना खुद डिसाइड कर सकते हैं, हाउ मच मैक्स रिस्क यू वांट टू टेक एंड लर्न द वेरियस एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ दैट स्ट्रैटेजी. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, आप जाके परचेस कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट. एंड अगर आपको OI डेटा का फ्री वेबिनार अटेंड करना है, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक है, उसको क्लिक कीजिए एंड अपना डिटेल्स फिल कीजिए. एंड गाइस डू फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए जिससे आपको अलर्ट्स मिलते रहे. सो थैंक यू सो मच, सी यू टुमारो.